Are you thinking about moving to Toronto? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you some different properties around the area we call the Path. I'm going to show you some different price points, and please stick around to the end because the best kept secret is at the end. Hi, today we're going to look at this property at 99 Harbor Square. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo priced at $1.2 million. What I love about this building is it has its own restaurant. It has its own bus that will take you around downtown if you're working or shopping. They have great amenities here, pool, gym, almost anything you can think of. So let's take a little tour of this property and you'll see how much I love it. So I'm going to show you this condo at 99 Harbor Square. Let's take a look down the hallway here. We're going to come into the main living room area here. So as you can see, it's open concept. You have your full kitchen here and your dining room and living room all together. So that'll be sort of cool for entertaining. You have a beautiful view of Toronto Harbor. It's a southeast view, so you'd get a lovely sunrise here. So going back in, we're going to take another quick look at the living room here. Plenty of room for several people in here, as well as the dining room. There's also a breakfast bar here with a nice large marble counter. Then you have the full kitchen here with stainless steel appliances, fridge, freezer, full-size stove and microwave. Then you have your dishwasher and stainless steel sink, and there's plenty of cupboard space in here. If it was my wife, she would need a little bit more, but we're doing pretty good here. Okay, so coming in back to the guest bedroom here. It's quite large. You could fit a king-size bed in here. Nice windows and a double closet. And then going back down the hallway here, we're going to come into the master bedroom. The master bedroom here has 2 closets, one on the right and one on the left. And it's quite large with room for, again, a quite large bed, a little area here for a chair or a desk. Then coming back in here, we have a private washroom ensuite, and where you have a shower and tub. It's a full body shower, which is kind of cool. That's a new concept. And then coming back in here, we have the laundry area here, and it's quite large. It's actually a walk-in laundry closet. So there's a lot of room in here to put storage and coats on both sides. You have some storage cupboards here to the left of it. And then back towards the entrance, we have a guest washroom here. The guest washroom is all marble. Really nice shower here with a full body wash again. And that's about it for this condo. It's about $1.2 million. If you want to live on the Toronto Harbor or Toronto Waterfront, I guarantee you couldn't miss on this beautiful place. Here I am in front of 99 Harbor here. As you can see, it's right on the harbor. We got charter boats, we've got water taxis, we've got a grocery store right across the street with a mall. So it's a lovely area. There's also walking paths around the Bulmer area right along the waterfront. So this is just a great area. My favorite area in the city. I live right across the street. So if you have any questions, please give me a call or text me. This is 99 Harbor Square. Hi, today I'm going to show you a property on the waterfront. It's connected to the path. It's 100 Harbor Street. This is an affordable property around $600K. So let's take a look around. As you can see, it's not your standard shape. It's a corner unit, so it's got a cool vibe to it. There's your living room, dining room area. So coming into the kitchen, we have a nice little island bar here with a microwave in it and a breakfast area. So kind of spacious cupboards here. We've got built-in fridge, freezer. We've got your built-in dishwasher here. You've got a stainless steel sink, nice and compact. You've got your oven and stove here, and a gorgeous view of Toronto Harbor. And it's got a full wraparound balcony that goes right around. Let's go back into the living room here. And this balcony wraps all the way into the bedroom, and it has a door that walks out onto the balcony. Bedroom is quite nice size. Any size of bed would fit in here, queen or king. A nice closet here. And coming back into the main area here, we have the washroom right outside of the bedroom with your laundry. And the washroom has full-size tub and shower and that's it for this unit. Like this property I'm going to show you now is on the pen, 88 Harbor Street in Toronto. Wonderful 2-bedroom unit, right south facing, gorgeous view of the harbor. So let's take a look. So coming this unit, here's a sort of a full view of the kitchen and dining area. And right behind me is the guest bedroom. It's got floor to ceiling windows. It's got a window that opens up for fresh air. A nice sized closet here. And going back behind the guest bedroom, you've got your laundry and a guest washroom with full shower here. Don't mind that little beeping noise from the CO detector. Coming back in now to the dining room and living room area. We've got a sort of a breakfast bar here with a microwave. And you've got lots of pantry space here. You've got a built-in fridge freezer. You've got a built-in microwave and stainless steel sink. You've got your oven and stove here. And then coming into the living room, you've got a beautiful, gorgeous view of the Toronto waterfront area. So this is a nice south view. You'll get gorgeous sunrises here. Great view of Toronto Harbor. Let's go back into the bedroom here. Now you can see the master bedroom, quite large, and it's got a full wash with shower and tub. So that's it for this unit. Hope you've enjoyed it. This unit is priced around just over $1 million. The gym in this facility is available for offices and for condo members. Hello, if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, please subscribe and tap the bell so you can be the first to learn about new market trends here in Toronto. My name is Ed Bulmer, and I get calls and texts from people like you every day about living in Toronto. So whether you're moving here or moving to an area around the town, please give me a call or text me and I'll be happy to help you.